Okay, so she wants to know if she ruined my plans. Did you ruin my plans, Brittany?
Apparently.
Car in the air, getting those X pipes on it, and that's about it. We went to a different shop, but I thought I could trust them, and then they tried to charge me an arm and a leg, so no. Okay, so we just dropped it off at the muffler performance shop. I don't know where it is. Apologies for my shrinking shirt, but we'll pick it up in a little bit, and we'll see if it's loud or not, and we'll see if it's worth the price point that it's gonna be pinpointed at. So I got the X pipe on here. I skipped way ahead of the video, but it took really fucking long. So Jay, you wanna hop in and rev this thing up for us? Take it real slow. We're gonna go 2 to 3 to 4 to 5, and then we're gonna hit 6,500. Ready? Go. That's insane. I'm not too sure how I feel about this. Wow. I gotta restart the kill count here. Killed too many Hondas in my day. Come on. More than that. I thought you said you had scissors. Oh, these are scissors. Okay. Kill count. Restarted. And look at that mango we got over here.
Fuck this mango.
All right, so you know you're gonna do the whole run all the way around that way, and actually I think this might be closed, so you're gonna go that way, or you can go around the building. I think you just go around that way, go to Cumberland, get some gas, and then come back around over here, and then back down, and maybe again for another run, so we can have the most accuracy. We don't want to be half-assed like half these people film videos and shit. It's extremely nasty, man. Okay, I think I see my baby coming down the road, and I hear it. Fucking presence on the road for real. That was insane. Oh my god. Devilish. I don't know. Maybe I might keep this set up after all. I'm like king of the road. Oh my god. Nasty. That's right, guys. This has been Mustang. It's been an awesome video. Hope you guys really love it. Next video, I'm gonna actually do a full exhaust. So I'm gonna go ahead and record the comparisons before and after the X pipe, and the only modification is the X pipe. So you guys tune in for that. You guys like the video, drop a like. You like the content, go ahead and subscribe. Any comments, answer all of them. Any questions, drop them in the comments at all. I might actually be getting rid of the X pipe and just leaving, well, get rid of the down pipes and putting the cast back on. Because driving, it's a little loud, but I'm gonna give it a little shot first. I probably will change it out by Monday or Tuesday then, or probably Wednesday. But yeah, I'll see you then, guys. It's been Mustang. Thanks for watching.